else grabbed around.
Okay.
It's pretty simple. And then let's slap it right on my thigh.
Okay. After all of the discussions and all of the changes, we agreed on the original idea, but we're putting it on the thigh. I'm irritated because he wasted a lot of my time, and time's running out.
You need help slide this out of the way?
I'm feeling good. Black and gray is my thing. That's one of my strong points. I think I'm safe in this one.
Al has been bragging about how good his black and gray is. I think he bit off more than he could chew with this tattoo.
In that amount of time, you cannot get a tattoo that big, shaded really smooth.
He wanted a wood cross to represent his mom. Mom passed away. So he's putting a wood cross, why don't we like growing from a tree? And we put like some pearly gates kind of in front of it.
I've asked and begged and pleaded with these contestants to slow down, be precise, be clean. You don't have to do a huge tattoo to do a good tattoo.
2 hours left, everybody.